Morning, huh? Look at this beautiful day. Woo. Little shut eye. I go brush my teeth now. Yep. Here he goes. What's up, Jesse? There he goes.
Yeah, baby.
Yep. Oh man. Got a couple hours shut eye. On our way to Los Angeles. Gonna make it happen. Oh yeah. Hey guys, all right, just finished lunch, man. Stopped at this KFC buffet. Crazy, man. God, man, I'm so full. I hate eating and driving, man. It's horrible for me, but I gotta eat. It's gonna be a long night. We got a lot of road to make up, some miles to make up tonight. But yeah, so I'm on my way to Los Angeles to drop off that Maybach. And you know, it was driving me crazy. I picked it up. They only want me to keep that one car in there, and they're real picky. They need a time frame. I got to be there by the 5th. So I really don't have no time to stop and pick anything else up. But you know, it's driving me crazy, man. I can't leave money on the table. I had about 160 inches left in the back of the truck. So of course, I started looking online, U-Ship, Central Dispatch, and I run across a Harley Davidson. And it just happened to be, man, it's right on the way, man. It's in Orlando, a little north of Orlando. So I'm going to pick that up right now, man. I'm excited about that. You know, it's going to help pay for fuel and put a little extra money in the pocket, pay for some food and stuff. But it's awesome, man. So I'm picking that up. You know, I know the Maybach's paying really good and stuff, man. But, you know, to be honest with you, you know, if... you know, I just can't leave an empty spot and drive all the way out to Los Angeles with an empty spot knowing in the back of my head. So I went ahead and picked up a motorcycle. I did have about 160 inches left, which most cars I can't fit. You know, it's really difficult to fit any car in there that size, maybe a Mini Cooper or something, but that's about it. And there's not many Mini Coopers right now I've seen, but even a Porsche is 169 inches, so, you know, but I did good, man. I got that Harley Davidson. I'm real excited about it. On my way actually right now to pick it up. So yeah, I'll take some pictures of that too, and I'll post them up here, man. As you can see, Harley Davidson, nice trike. But yeah, man, pretty cool. So yeah, I just want to tell you a little bit about that Harley Davidson and how that works, man. So I got on Central Dispatch and I found the Harley Davidson coming out. I called the broker up. Of course, Saturday, you know, they don't work rich. They don't need money. You know, we're the only idiots that work out here on a Saturday. But call the broker up, tell him, hey, buddy, I want to go ahead and pick this up. He doesn't answer, leave a voicemail. Leave him a voicemail maybe about a half an hour later, hour maybe, I don't know, half an hour, something like that. He gives me a call back, which was surprising. Mario, thanks a lot, man. You know, actually a decent broker there. Gave me a call back, and I appreciate that, and gave the customer a call, you know, and he made it happen, man. So I'm on my way right now to pick it up, man, which is great. It's right on the way, and it's being dropped off in Los Angeles as well, you know. So it's gonna work out, man. Amazing, actually, man. I'm really excited about that, you know. And worst case, when I get there to deliver the Maybach, I'll take the trike out, leave it in a parking lot or something, or at a storage lot or something, and then come back and pick it back up, just so that the Maybach people won't see it. You know, but yeah, you're not supposed to do that, guys. But yeah, you gotta make money, though, man. You know, these guys don't control my truck, man. I know what I'm doing. You know, I get out there. It doesn't just have to be one vehicle. What's the difference? You know, their Maybach is not going to be damaged. They're going to be happy. They're going to call me back to ship their vehicle. But definitely, man. So and the trike guys are real happy too, because it was posted as an open. So you know, I called them and told them enclosed, and man, they're shit fire happy out there. So yeah. But yeah, man, so when I called Mario, the broker, I asked him the size of the trike. He told me it was 66 inches. Or he told me, you know, it's the normal size of a Harley Davidson. Look it up. We looked it up, 66 inches. Yeah, that's the size of it. You know, I said, you sure, man? It's not extended, nothing. No. This is why, guys, it's really, really important that you call the customer. You want to call the customer for a couple of reasons. Why? Number one, you want to introduce yourself. Hey, it's Rene Anthony, South Beach Transport. Number two, you want to hear the guy's voice or girl's voice. You want to hear their tone of voice. Are they nice people or are they mean? Do they have attitudes? Are they docile? Are they relaxed or are they uptight? You know, it gives you a better sense for delivery time, pickup time. Are they real or are they going to, you know, waste your time? You know, it's very, very important as a driver that when you are dispatching your own loads, that you know what to look for and everything. And that's the biggest problem drivers have. You know, they don't know what to look for, and they get screwed, man. You know, a lot of times, yeah, I'll be there, and then, man, you get screwed. You know, one time I never forget, I was supposed to pick up an ATV, and this is, I'm gonna tell y'all a quick little short story here. So I was out in Reno, Nevada. A guy calls me, hey, yeah, I got an ATV out there in Reno, I need you to pick up for me. I said, okay, no problem. Hey, I'm looking at you, but I'm looking at the road. Remember, I'm driving, guys, you know. But okay, so guy calls me, yeah, I'm gonna pick up an ATV. I said, okay, yeah, I'll pick it up. Where's it at? He gives me the address, dispatches it to me on Central Dispatch. I call the pickup, the guy answers the phone at pickup, yeah, okay, what time you gonna come? I tell the guy, okay, I'm gonna be there at 10 a.m. in the morning. The guy says, all right, man, no problem, man, 10 a.m. I say, okay, perfect. You know, that night I hang out. Okay, morning comes, go to pick up the vehicle, the ATV. Well, you were with me, Jesse, on the ATV? No. All right, so, go to pick up the ATV. The guy doesn't answer the phone. Nothing. Go to the house. No, nothing. It's not even a house. It was like a little business thing. I'm like, what the heck's going on here? Call the guy up. No, doesn't answer. I'm like, what the hell's going on? I call the customer up who hired me to pick up his ATV. Hey, listen, this guy, man, he doesn't answer his phone. Well, to make a long story short, the guy who called me to pick up the ATV, he was a legitimate guy. The guy he was buying the ATV from scammed him out of $1,700. So the guy paid $1,700 for his ATV and was, you know, shipping it. He paid the guy for it and then bringing it back down to Florida. Well, the guy with the ATV was all a lie, you know, it was all a big scam, man. But the guy with the ATV ended up being a good guy. He actually even gave me $200 for my time, you know. But that's why it's important, you know, to call the customer, because I'm gonna tell you what I did. See, the customer told me, hey, I'm gonna give you $200 if you wait in Reno for another 5 hours or something, you know, because the guy said he gets off work at 5 o'clock. It was noon or something. So he's like, oh, he gets off at noon. I talked to the guy who had the ATV. He assured me I get off at 5. But listen, I've been doing this way too long, and not only as a driver but as a carrier, you know. I mean, as a broker. So I know all these games that they play. So I was sitting at a damn gas station right outside the Hoover Dam area, and it was actually in Vegas. I apologize, it wasn't in Reno, it was in Vegas. So I was sitting outside Hoover Dam area. Now that's about an hour away from Vegas. Well, I told the customer, yeah, I'm gonna drive back, because the customer said he's gonna give me $200 regardless, you know, if I go back and just wait till 5. So I tell the customer, okay, yeah, I'm going back. Shit, I pulled out the gas station and just kept driving east, you know, because I knew that guy was bullshitting, man. And if, worst case scenario, if the guy was real about it, I would just told him, look, I'm not going to be able to make it today, man. My truck broke down. And then I would have called my office and rehired another truck to pick up the ATV, you know. But I knew this guy was bullshitting, so I drove east, man. My rider that was with me was like, what are you doing? I said, he said, the guy already gave you $200, because he actually cash at me the $200. So then I just left the gas station, man, you know, and I drove east, man. I knew this guy wasn't going to do it. You know, I would have refunded him $200 and found him a driver on top of it if the guy did show up and it was legit. But sure enough, man, the guy never, ever showed up, man. Never called me, nothing, man. It was like 9 o'clock, man. And then the customer is the same thing. Oh, can you wait till 9? Yeah. I said, yeah, I'm here at the hotel. Don't worry about it. Then finally the customer at about 11:30 at night calls me up and says, look, man, don't worry about it. Just go ahead and drive. Keep the $200, man, you know. That's why it's important to conversate with your customers. You can hear their tone of voice. You can hear if they're bullshitting you or not. Somebody who doesn't answer your phone calls or your text messages, raise a flag, right? Hey, something's wrong there. Morning, morning. Super 8. Oh yeah. Got a long day ahead of us. Gotta make it happen today. Big day, big day. Breakfast time. Breakfast of champions. Breakfast.
That's good shit too.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Good afternoon. We are in Gulfport, Mississippi, driving along. Trying to get to Los Angeles. Got to be there by the 5th. Keep y'all updated. Today's the 3rd, February 3rd. It is 10:08 a.m. Been up since 6 in the morning driving. 7 in the morning. So yeah, it's been nice weather. Everything's good. Motivated. Picked up the Harley Davidson trike yesterday, so I'm loaded. On our way out there. Look at this Mustang. Wow,
Nice.
yeah, huh? That's a nice Mustang there.
Oh man, it is. I think it's 67.
67.
Yeah.
Mint condition. Look like
Yeah, but it's modified because I just seen on the hood of the car, so it says supercharged. So he's looks like he's modified.
Today's the Super Bowl too. I predict the Patriots are gonna win. And I just so you know, I'm filming this right now, February 3rd. I might not upload it until a little bit later, but 100% fact, Brady's gonna win, and I'm predicting it right now. And you can see, let me show you the time, so that way, no confusion here. I can't even get a time, man. All right. There you go, you can see 10 a.m. Let me put a clock on.
Yeah, there it is right there, 10/11, February 3rd. But I need you to know right now, next weigh station we pull into, we'll get him checked. Because whatever he's smoking, he shouldn't be behind the wheel on. Talking about Brady.
Guaranteed Brady's going to win, so that's my prediction.
And I want to guarantee you this, if he do wins, it's because the NFL allowed him to win.
Negative.
And they gave him another call that went his way. All of a sudden it went his way. So, mark my words today, if Brady wins, they gave it to him.
They're already making excuses for the win.
He's not the GOAT. Let you know right there. He's not the GOAT.
Already making excuses.
I bet Montana will have something
This
to
will
say
be
about
his
that.
6th Super Bowl? 6, right?
He's going to
6 Super Bowl.
He's won about 4 or 5 of
he's
them.
won 5. He's got 5 rings. If he wins the 6th one, he's going to have to get another ring finger, you know? But, all right, guys, let's get back to business here. So, yeah, it's 10:08, 10:12 right now. Driving. Everything's going smooth so far, so good, you know? Border Patrol, and this is one of their inspection areas. The highly
Take the exit.
controversial inspection. They're looking for illegal aliens. Let's see what they ask me. I don't care. I'm gonna tell them I'm a U.S. citizen, which I am. Well, a lot of people have problems answering it. I don't really care, man. It doesn't bother me one bit. I'm actually glad they're protecting us, damn it. Imagine if there was nobody to answer any questions. We have thousands of people coming through our borders. And, you know, let's see. It's kind of a bad situation. Well, we'll see. Here it goes.
Look at all the cameras. Flashy, flashy,
Yeah, about
flashy.
1,000 cameras here.
Flashy, flashy.
They take my picture. Anytime take my picture.
Flashy, flashy, flashy. Us only.
Border Patrol.
He just waved them through. He waved you through.
Waving me through, waving me through.
Guess he's tired.
He's eating lunch, so they don't have time to ask us any questions right now.
Guess he's tired. Go ahead, player.
Waste. Checking into the hotel.
Hotel life.
There it goes. Yep. $60 for the night. Motel 6. On our way to Los Angeles.
Motel 8, man. Super
Oh, Motel 8. What did I say?
Super 8. You said motel.
Too late. Late at night. But yeah, $60 for the night. A day in the life of a hotshot driver. Rene Anthony, South Beach.